What do you think will happen if we lower molten lithium into pure oxygen? Let's find out.
For this experiment, we'll use a 4,000 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask, a deflagration spoon, blowtorch. This is manganese dioxide, 35% hydrogen peroxide, and of course, lithium that's stored in mineral oil because it's an alkali metal and it reacts with moisture in the air. If you remember, lithium is a group 1 alkali metal. It only has 3 protons, making it the lightest metal on Earth. It was discovered in 1817 by the Swedish chemist Johann R. Vedson while he was analyzing the mineral petalite. Begin by cutting a small piece of lithium that you can fit on the end of your deflagration spoon. We'll heat this up with our blowtorch, and then we'll lower it into a vat of pure oxygen. Look how bright and shiny that luster is underneath the oxide layer. Just a beautiful alkali metal. Next, pour 5 milliliters of 35% hydrogen peroxide into your 4,000 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. To catalyze the decomposition of your hydrogen peroxide, add 10 milligrams of manganese dioxide. This will serve as the catalyst and release oxygen and water vapor from your hydrogen peroxide. Place a watch glass over the mouth of your Erlenmeyer flask to trap the oxygen. Before lowering your molten lithium into the Erlenmeyer flask, put it behind a blast shield over a flame retentive blanket. Now place your lithium on your deflagration spoon and begin heating it until it's molten, and then you'll lower it into your Erlenmeyer flask. All right, here we go. Here's the balanced equation for this dramatic synthesis reaction. We begin with reactants, lithium and oxygen. We have 4 moles of lithium, that's the 4Li, and 1 mole of the diatomic molecule of oxygen, O2. When activation energy is added in the form of heat, that creates the product lithium oxide. We have 2 moles of lithium oxide, the 2Li+O, in this dramatic synthesis reaction.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.